Now I am going to explain the construction and working of half wave rectifier. Construction and working of half wave rectifier. So, what is a rectifier? A rectifier is an electronic device which convert bidirectional bidirectional current into unidirectional half cycles. Rectifier which convert bidirectional current into unidirectional half cycle. So, there are two types of rectifiers. One is half wave rectifier, HWR, let me say, and the second one is full wave rectifier. So, now in this lecture, first I will explain the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier. Then I will explain how to construct half wave rectifier. So the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier is as follows. So it consists a transformer. So let me say this is a transformer primary circuit, and let me say this is the transformer secondary circuit. So this is transformer. So to the primary circuit we need to connect the AC signal source which is to be rectified. So this is, let me say, input. So input to be applied to the primary terminals of the transformer. Let me say this is primary. To the secondary terminal, first we need to connect a diode. The P side is connected to the first terminal of this transistor, and the N side need to be connected to a load resistance through which we will take the output voltage. So let me say this is load resistance, and across the load resistance we will take the output voltage. So this is the construction, the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier. Now first let me explain the theoretical explanation of half wave rectifier, then I will show you experimentally, so how the half wave rectifier is work out. So let me say this is the input cycle, so which consists a positive and negative. So during positive half cycle, the let me say this is the terminal P1 and this is the terminal P2, and let me say this is the terminal S1, this is the terminal S2. So P1, P2 are primary terminals, S1, S2 are secondary terminal. Now during positive half cycle, S1 is at positive voltage, S2 is at negative voltage, which means the diode is, the N side is at negative voltage. So you please observe here, during positive half cycle, P side is at positive voltage, N side is at negative voltage, which means the diode is in forward bias. So as we all know, diode in case of forward bias which conducts. So during this positive half cycle, so yeah, it conducts. So the positive cycle, just a moment. So the positive cycle will come out across the load resistance. So the positive cycle will come across the load resistance. During negative half cycle, the S1 is at a negative voltage, S2 is at positive voltage, which means P side is at negative voltage, N side is at positive voltage. So this is for positive half cycle and this is for negative half cycle. You please observe, during negative half cycle, P is at low voltage, N is at high voltage, which means diode is in a reverse bias, in which diode will be acted as a open switch, which means the diode will not conduct, which means the negative cycle will not come out through the load resistors. And again during positive cycle, the positive cycle will come out, and during negative, the negative will not come here, and again if the during positive, again the positive will come. So which means a bidirectional current is converting into unidirectional half cycle. So the rectifier is known as half wave rectifier. Now let me show you the construction of half wave rectifier. So all of you please look, this is the where I am constructing. The website name is falstart.com, and the URL of website I will provide in the description. You please go and click in the description for the simulation website. So in this website, these are all the options. So first you please click on the circuit, click on blank circuit. So we are taking a blank circuit here. Now, so please look at the circuit diagram. First we need to take a transformer. So go to draw, and in this one please search for a transformer. So yeah, just a moment. Yeah, input, not an input, passive. Yeah, so please see here in the passive components there are different types of transformer are available. I am just taking a transformer. So add a transformer. So after selecting the transformer, you need to click and drag it. So see, this is my transformer. These two are the primaries P1 and P2. These two are the S1 and S2. So please try to understand here. So this transformer I have created here. Now I need to give the input. So see here, I need to give an AC input. Again go to draw and input and sources. So please click on AC voltage source to terminal. So click the AC to voltage source, and then place the cursor at any one terminal P side. So sorry, I picked the DC one. I need to go for AC. So passive components, input. So AC voltage source. Yeah, AC voltage source to terminal. So yeah, done. So see here, this is AC voltage source. So all of you could observe here. So this is AC voltage source with the frequency of 40 Hz. Now I need to connect the the secondary terminals with the diode and resistor. So go to draw. So add passive component. Active component. You see here, add a diode. So you just click add diode and draw the diode. Yeah, I have added diode. Now I need to connect a load resistance. Go to draw, add resistor. So this is load resistor. Now to close the circuit, I need to connect with the wire. You just add a wire. Done. So the circuit diagram is over. So look at the circuit diagram. So for the clear understanding, I just try to increase the simulation. I just try to increase the simulation. Just I'll just listen. So yeah, I'll just try to increase the simulation part, simulation speed. So just a moment. Yeah. So look at the simulation. So for the diode through the current is flowing in a particular in a way. For particular time it is flowing, and some other time it is not flowing. So let me add graphs here. So that you can clearly understood. So what is the input and what is the output. So to show the graphical input, you can just click on the component and view in undocked scope. You just click on view in undocked scope. Just a moment. Yeah, so just a moment. So this is the input graph. Just a moment. So I'll show you. So look at this graph showing the input voltage. Now I'll show you the output voltage. So this is the output voltage. Yeah. So look at the output. So as I have explained you in the theoretical model, so this is the input signal and this is the output signal. So please look at the here. So this is the input signal. So in the input, positive and negative cycles are there, but in the output there is only one half cycles are coming. So this is the construction and explanation of half wave rectifier. So to make use or to construct the any circuit, you can use this website. So the website link I will provide in the description. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe.